So this one's just low, I think. I'm gonna rinse it out anyways. The other ones I've been messing with were actually topped off. They just have a lot of corrosion on the inside, or dirt. It kind of looks like mud, but I know it's a lot of metal particles as well. That one's a little low too. So that came out of the batteries. Nice and filthy, no wonder they weren't working. I'm not actually recommending that you clean this with a paintbrush. I just happen to have one sitting right next to the sink, so that's what I'm going to use. The only reason I'm actually cleaning these is so I don't get contamination into the battery acid. Why go to all the trouble to make the inside of the battery clean if you get contaminants in it when you put the cap on? I had a scrub brush too. Oops, didn't see that. Must have been hiding under the paintbrush. Maybe 12 and a half, 12. That's probably all we're gonna get out of this one. So I'm gonna pull it off and then let it charge, see if it holds the charge. This battery's been sitting a couple hours. It was about 12 volts, I think, before. I think it's actually holding it. Hopefully.